In Costa Rica, we are renowned for producing distinctive, environmentally friendly, high-quality coffee. It is one of the most important products for export, thus contributing to the development of the country. The township of Dota is located in the Los Santos area, known internationally as the Tarrazú region, 45 miles southwest of San Jose, with an average altitude of 1,500 meters above sea level. Located in this breathtakingly beautiful place is Coopedota, an institution committed to the economic, environmental, and social development of its area. Coopedota was founded on October 14, 1960, by a group of 96 producers who provided the initial capital of 116,000 colones, approximately $250. In the first year, 3,974 bags, each weighing 46 kilograms, of green coffee beans were processed. Today, Coopedota has 800 active partners and an average production of 50,000 bags of green coffee beans. The organizational structure of Coopedota is comprised of a General Assembly of Associates that appoints a board of directors, which along with the management, partners, and employees of the company is permanently in charge of carrying out the administration, production, and development of all coffee production-related activities and other projects developed by the cooperative. The type of coffee produced in Santa Maria is SHB 100% Arabica, grown between 1,500 and 1,900 meters above sea level. These high-quality cherries are taken to the cooperative's coffee processing plant, thus initiating a strict process of industrialization, which guarantees high-quality coffee. The wet phase consists of pulping, washing, and sorting coffee into different qualities, taking into account size and density. Once the wet phase is complete, the drying process follows, using automatic burners that emit hot air. They are fed with dried coffee husk and pulp. In addition, part of the harvest is sun-dried. And we also dry coffee using the greenhouse method. After the coffee is dried, it is allowed to mature, then prepared, selected, and packaged. Finally, we distribute it to different markets worldwide, especially Europe, North America, and Asia. Our ecological processing mill in Providencia de Dota serves 36 small coffee farmers, which also provides the same entire process as the main mill. This is where we produce our Providencia Estate coffee. In addition, Coopedota is developing a project called Microlots, which is focused on producing unique coffee while maintaining Dota Tarrazú characteristics, but with an exotic touch and full traceability. It is directed towards roasters who want a distinctive product. In this manner, the producer receives an additional bonus to encourage the production of selected coffee that meets the sustainable and quality policies of Coopedota. The Coopedota coffee roaster offers our customers quality, delicious taste, and aroma under complete food safety standards. Our brands of roasted coffee are Hermosa, Dota Tarrazú, Dota Fresh, Quetzal, Carbono Neutral, and Reserva Especial, which is the best of the crop. During cupping, we make sure that the process has been carried out correctly. This is important to guarantee coffee of the highest quality for the world. Privilegios Dota Coffee House is located in Santa Maria, and its purpose is to offer our consumers a chance to taste the delicious coffee produced by the cooperative in its different preparations. At our Barista Training School, our main objective is to provide students and the general public with the opportunity to learn about the different coffee-based preparations. Thus, we educate everyone who is interested in the preparation and consumption of gourmet coffee. The Coffee Experience Tour shows our visitors in more detail the coffee activity in all its stages. We provide partners and coffee producers in general with the necessary technical assistance for good management of their plantations. In that sense, our technical department provides appropriate monitoring for the improvement of coffee, aiming to produce coffee that is both agronomically and socially sustainable. At our agricultural supply store, our customers have the opportunity to purchase everything needed for their coffee plantations, in addition to hardware items and construction materials. By taking advantage of the purity of its land, Coopedota is also able to offer Quetzal pure spring water. In recent years, climate change has affected coffee production and prices. Due to this reason, we have seen the need to transform the coffee industry to address three major challenges of climate change: production, adaptation, and mitigation. In March 2011, we were able to certify the first carbon-neutral coffee in the world, using the PAS 2060 standard. Carbon neutrality in a product means that the emissions were measured from the plantation all the way to the cup. They have been reduced and compensated for, and as a result, there are zero net emissions of carbon dioxide. 17 years ago, Coopedota adopted sustainable practices throughout its value chain to produce high-quality coffee that is low in carbon dioxide emissions. Some of the projects that have helped to reduce our carbon footprint are replacing 95% of firewood for coffee husk in the coffee drying process, reducing power consumption by more than 35% due to the implementation of an efficiency and savings program throughout the company, reducing water consumption by 80% and eliminating river contamination by installing water meters and designing a fertigation system in pastures, improving waste management in the community with the recycling project for ordinary waste, encouraging the use of organic fertilizer applications to reduce chemical products. All these efforts have allowed the cooperative to be worthy of the white flag and the blue flag recognitions granted by the Ministry of Health, the Coffee Institute of Costa Rica, and the Ministry of Environment and Energy because of its production that is in harmony with the environment. We are a cooperative with vision aimed at ensuring the quality of coffee in the area and promoting alternative marketing that generates significant gains in marketing Dota's golden bean. That is why we achieved the National Coffee Medal of Merit, awarded by the Coffee Institute of Costa Rica, which affirms the effort we made in achieving stable conditions for producers. Our coffee has been chosen as one of the best in the country at the Golden Harvest and the Cup of Excellence competitions. Also, Coopedota received the Guayacán Award, a recognition awarded by the Ministry of Environment, Energy, and Telecommunications for the fierce and persistent improvement of the environment. We are also sponsors of social programs such as Santa Maria's Nursing Home. We develop outreach programs such as Coffee Specialists, which take place at the high school in the community. There, students learn about technically all stages of the coffee production chain. Our cooperative has contributed to the development of the Tarrazú region, particularly of the township of Dota, giving its partners one of the best organized alternatives for growing coffee, under permanent conditions of stability and quality. Coopedota, producing the best coffee for the world in harmony with the environment.